All right, so here we go with conjunction inequalities part 2. So you should have already done the first 4, A, B, C, and D. But just in case, let's go over A real quick here. So if we have a -1 less than 3x plus 5, that's the first part of our equation, and then the other part is 3x plus 5 is less than 6. So we'll go ahead and solve each of those. -5 here. -6 is less than 3x, divide by 3, and we have x is greater than a -2 on that side. Over here, we need to get rid of this 5, so we subtract 5 from both sides. We get 3x is less than 1, and then when we divide by 3, we get x is less than 1/3. So that's our solution set, except we have to put them together to make it a -2 less than x less than 1/3, and we would graph it so if x is greater than a -2, open circle. X is less than 1/3. 1/3 is going to be right here, open circle, and everything in between. The next one. We have 2 is less than x over 3 minus 5 for our first equation, and x over 3 minus 5 is less than 6 for our second equation. So here, first we're going to get rid of this 5 by adding 5, and we get 7 is less than x over 3. Now, when we had 3x, we were dividing by 3. Now we have x divided by 3. So the opposite of division is multiplication. So we multiply by 3, and we get 21 is less than x for that side. Over on this side, we have a -5, and so we're going to add 5 to both sides. And we get x over 3 is less than or equal to, or less than 11. And again, we have x divided by 3. The opposite of division is multiplying, so we go and multiply by 3, and we get x is less than 33. So our solution set is 21 is less than x, which is less than 33, and we would graph that the same way we would graph the above one. Now, I need you to finish up C and D if you haven't already, plus go ahead and do these 6 problems, 1 through 6, and make sure that there are no questions or problems. Tomorrow, Wednesday, come in with all these ready to go. We'll go over them. If you have any questions over anything we've done for Unit 1, please bring those as well, because on Thursday, we will be doing our unit test. All right, have a great afternoon.